This is an unboxing video of Realme 2 Pro. We have got this version. We ordered this from Flipkart. The version is 4GB 64GB. So we are unboxing it. So as you can see at the box, there is no specification given here. So yeah, there is a little specification contents of the box. It's have a 16 megapixel rear and plus 2 camera and 16 megapixel front camera. So it's cost around 14,000 rupees on. So as you can see in the box, there is a transparent cover over there, some warranty card and instruction manual. So we have ordered blue color of Realme 2 Pro. So we can see that there is a water drop display for this version. So let's see other box content. So there is a charger over there and a normal USB. So we are switching on its first time. So there is a Realme branding over there, and it's a little shiny display. So the SAR specification gave there. As you can see, it's written over there, it's made in India. So as you can see, it's a water drop display, so-called water drop display over there. So let me configure this phone. I will resume video after that. So I have configured this device first time. So as you can see, there is some pre-installed application. So I'm going to the specification of the phone. So as you can see, there is a color. It's based on ColorOS version 5.2, Android version 8.1, which can be updated later in Android Pie 9. Processor, this device comes with Qualcomm Snapdragon 660 octa-core processor. There is 4GB RAM, and out of 64GB, there is 46.8GB available for the user. So it's update. It's have a latest Android security patch of 5th September. So as you can see there, this is a sliding menu from upside. So the camera quality is very good. We will capture some photos and resume this video. So as you can see, we have clicked some photos over here. So this is a normal photograph. If we zoom it, I will show you detail of this photograph first. So it's clicking around 4K resolution image. The aperture level is 1.7 and with ISO 444. So the image quality is also good. So there are various mode available. I have clicked this photo in a portrait mode, and it's a little the edges are seamless, and the image quality is also good. In camera there are various options available. You can click a time-lapse video, a normal time-lapse based video, normal photo, a portrait mode photo, a sticker based video, panorama, and expert level. That is manual mode is called expert mode. So we will update a further hands-on review of this phone after 1 month of usage. Thank you.